Do you want to make more money on YouTube? You know what? You might be using the wrong video formats. And so in this video, I will show you how to increase your YouTube revenue by identifying the highest paying video format. And that's exactly in the YouTube studio. Whether it's a long form video, short form video, or live. And so do well to watch this video closely from start till the end. And at the end of the video, you'll be able to know and find out the format of videos that you need to make, that you must continue to make, so that you can increase your YouTube revenue. A lot of people have been making content. Sometimes you check your channels and it's like YouTube Shorts, some other channels long form videos, and some too have been leveraging on live streaming. But the question is, which of these three forms of videos on YouTube is getting you more revenue on your channel over here? And that's exactly what I'm going to reveal in this video. And so please do well to watch this video so closely without skipping any section. And hey, you're going to enjoy it and you're going to get more revenue over here. This one is specifically for those who have actually monetized their channels. And if you have not monetized yet, now you know what, you're actually going to monetize your channel. And so you've got to watch this particular information, have that in mind, so that when you get your channel monetized, you're actually going to see your channel blowing up with more revenue. In the YouTube studio, that is the game changer feature on YouTube. And you know what, I am going to straight away show you the format of video that is going to help you increase your YouTube revenue. And so when you get your YouTube studio, this is what I want you to do, so that you get to find out which format is actually getting you a lot of views, a lot of revenue on your YouTube channel. So straight away, when I get to your YouTube studio over here, you scroll to where we have the analytics. As you can see clearly, this is the analytics icon. So you click on that, and then it's going to open for you straight away. And then when it opens like this for you, you'll click on revenue. Great. So I'm going to show you something over here that's actually going to blow your mind. Oh yes, currently having 248 in the last 28 days. Let's make it from lifetime. That is 2025. That's 2025. So 2025, the total revenue is 263.65. Okay, so now let's get down over here, and I'm going to show you something that maybe you've not noticed, or you've checked or seen, but maybe you've not gotten time to understand it so well. And you ask yourself, is this related to my YouTube revenue? Yes, it's related to your YouTube revenue, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you. And that is what you see currently on your screen, the content performance. That is the content performance. Now you see, when you come over here, we have these three content format on YouTube. We have videos, we have short, and then we have live. These are the format of videos that they can get revenue from. And so if you want to know the type of format that is going to help you increase your revenue, to get more revenue on YouTube, to be able to increase your earnings on YouTube, come straight over here. And then when you check here, you are going to see between the duration that you select. Currently is 2025, and that's from January till this time. This video is being made in February. You understand? In February 2025. All right. And you know what? When you click on the live here, this one, when you click on it like this, it is going to show you the revenue that the live session has actually been able to get you. Let me zoom it small for you to see something over here. You see, it's going to show you the revenue that the live streamings have been able to get you within the 2025. It can be, sometimes when you check over there, you could see that last 28 days. Sometimes when you check last 7 days, it depends on what you select over here. You see over here, I have selected 2025 to show. So it's a matter of what you want to select. All right, great. So now let's get down small. Okay, very good. So that is it. So now what I'm trying to say is that the live video is giving us only $1.50 US the whole of 2025. That is from January 9th. That is when the channel got monetized to this very time, February 6th, right? So this data is from January to February 6th, right? You see January 1st here, but actually The channel got monetized on January 9th. So the revenue started from January 9th to February 6th. Okay, so within that duration, the live video only got us $1.5. Now let's click on the short. The short only got us 0.07. So you could see the short is not earning me revenue over here. Oh yes. And now let's get to the long form videos. Let's click on the long form videos. So you see the long form videos is getting me 263.08. Don't forget when we check the total revenue, it was around 263, and only the long form videos is getting me 262. You understand? And so to be able to know which format of video will earn you more revenue, so you can always be making videos around that, check here. And you see from my channel over here, you could see clearly that the long form videos is what is getting me the more revenue over here. And so if I want to increase my YouTube earnings, my YouTube revenue, to get my revenue being exploded over here, the trick is that I should be able to make more content on the long form videos. I should be able to make long form videos on my channel. Yes, that means live videos and the short are not actually helping my channel over here. They are not getting me more revenue. They're not getting me more cash, more earnings over here. So you may check on your channel and you could see that maybe the live streaming is what is actually getting you more revenue. Maybe because you always and almost all the time making live and all of that. You understand? And so when you check over on your channel and then you're able to see that the live streaming is what is getting you more revenue, please be able to leverage on that and make more live streaming videos. If you check and you could see that it is rather the short, that is a short form video that is getting you a lot of revenue, please once again be able to make more short form videos on your channel, and hey, you're going to actually enjoy over there on your channel. You're going to see a lot of revenue. The only dangerous thing is that over here on my channel now, it's only the long form video that is getting me more revenue. You understand? And so instead of me concentrating on the long form videos, then I divert the attention to, let's say, short or live streaming. So instead of making long form videos, publishing long form video consistently, I start making live videos, I start making short, which are not even getting me that more revenue. That would have been the biggest mistake to do over here on my channel, unless maybe I want to start something else, of which sometimes at appropriate time I'll get time to talk about that one when the need arises. You understand? So that's exactly what I decided to show you in this particular video of mine, and I'm sure you've gotten value. So right after watching this video, please do well to quickly check on your YouTube studio right now. You want to check on YouTube studio right now, and it's going to actually help you a lot. And you know what? Now let me let you see something of the audience over here. The audience, that is the traffic sources, also count a lot. You see, when you get traffic from top countries like the USA, the United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, and those countries, you're going to earn higher. And that is actually what has helped me over here, because over here at my audience, I am having USA topping my top geography. As you can see clearly over here, USA is topping. Let me show you. Oh my goodness. USA is topping 33.5%. Currently, the general overview of my channel, 33.5% traffic of the views coming from United States of America, and that is the reason my earnings are going up massively. You understand? And so I've also made a video on how to get more traffic from the USA and other top countries. If you want to get that particular video to watch, please comment. Let me see your comment at the comment section over there that you want the video on how to get more views and more traffic from USA. I will send you the link, an exclusive link for you to watch that particular video right now. Be able to practice the tutorials I gave in there, so that you get more traffic, massive traffic like mine, and even more than mine from the United States of America, so that you can increase your YouTube earnings. All right, so that is exactly where I bring the video to an end. Please, if you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button right now, so that the family continues to be bigger and bigger and better over here on YouTube. Thank you very much. If you have any question, let me hear you at the comment section, and I will attend to you in a very nice way. God be with you, and hey, let's continue to share this video so it blesses other people, so it helps them as well. Thank you very much. Until we meet next time in the next mind-blowing video, God bless you and have a wonderful time.